Scrutiny of nominations for the first phase held. Today is the last day of filing of nominations for the second phase of Manipur legislative elections. Chief Minister Ukrumi Bobi Singh and Irom Sharmila filed nomination for Thawbal seat on the last day. BJP demands Manipur government to speed up trial of pending cases including fake encounters and airport drug case. And people stormed CBI office at Lumpel demanding speedy trial of Sanjit and Rabina fake encounter. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Lighting Monica with the latest news updates. Scrutiny of the nomination for the first phase of the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly elections is going on in various districts. Candidates were seen coming to the offices of the returning officers with their supporters. In Imphal East, scrutiny began at 10 a.m. and candidates of 11 constituencies were present during the scrutiny. Several roads in the district witnessed traffic jam as candidates of different political parties and their supporters came to the office of the DC Imphal East at Porompat. Traffic movement was restricted for the public at Porompat Traffic Island. Officials and media persons only were allowed to go to the road leading to the DC office. The scrutiny will go on till 4 p.m. Chief Minister Ukrumi Bobi Singh and Irom Sharmila today filed their nomination papers for the Thawbal seat on the last day of the filing of nomination for the second and last phase of the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly elections. Congress candidate Chief Minister Ukrumi Bobi Singh along with his supporters came to the DC office in Thawbal and filed his nomination at 11:30 this morning. Ibobi's opponent Irom Sharmila also came with her supporters to file her nomination as the candidate of the People's Resurgence and Justice Alliance Praja to the returning officer in the afternoon around 2:30. After filing his nomination, Ukrumi Bobi Singh expressed the hope that the Congress party will win 50% in the hills. Responding to a media query on his opponent, Sharmila, Ibobi said everyone has the right to contest election and she did not pose a threat to him. He decried the BJP allegation against the Congress that it is behind the accusation made by Sharmila that BJP offered her 36 crore rupees. Supporters of Irom Sharmila blowed their whistles, the party's symbol, when Sharmila came out after filing her papers. Speaking to media, Sharmila expressed the hope that she will be able to get 15,000 votes and win the seat. She also said she would continue her fight against the AFSPA. Today is the last day for filing of nominations for the second and final phase of Manipur Legislative Assembly elections. 22 of the 60 constituencies in the state will go to polls in the second phase on March 8. Scrutiny will take place tomorrow while the withdrawal of candidature can be done till Monday. 38 assembly segments will go to the polls in the first phase on the 4th of next month. A total of 215 candidates had filed their nominations till Tuesday. Candidates can withdraw their nominations till Saturday. BJP candidate Atim Panmay and LJP candidate Matuipong Gonmay filed their nomination for the Nungba seat today. Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam filed his nomination on the 13th of this month for the same seat. People's Resurgence and Justice Alliance Praja filed a complaint to the Election Commission against BJP's decision to hold Prime Minister Narendra Modi's rally at Kangla Fort on the 25th of this month. In a press release, Praja said it is against the Election Commission guidelines during the Model Code of Conduct period. The release also said the Kangla is a sacred site for the Manipuris, especially the Meiteis, and the party will not tolerate a political rally inside the Kangla. The same release said the Election Commission of India has responded that they will look into the matter and respond within 48 hours. The complaint was filed on February 16. BJP Manipur Pradesh has demanded speedy trial of pending cases including Robin Hood murder, fake encounter and Imphal airport drug seizure. BJP spokesperson and former minister Nongthongbam Biren told the media in a press meet held early this morning at the BJP office at Nichai Pajutek that the known trial of the long pending cases has violated the rights of the people. He said the BJP welcomes the reopening of the Sanjeet and Rabina fake encounter case by the CBI after an appeal made by the mother of Sanjeet. Biren maintained that the Supreme Court has declared 1,528 fake encounter cases which occurred behind the Armed Forces Special Powers Act (AFSPA). He also urged for filing of FIR by police against those cases where FIR were not registered before the Supreme Court hearing scheduled for April 18, 19 and 20. The BJP leaders demanded the government to declare the progress of Robin Hood case.
1,528 Honorable Highest Apex Court, Supreme Court confirmed Torba. Haiba Sigi case issue Huji and speedy Lainamadi Justice Fazana Fanganaba. Honahaningi, April Tajiki Tarik Tara Nipan Trump and Kunda Haiba case si Tai Hai. State ki site tigi FIR submit Togodaba cases mayam pending lerga labor. BJP demands Haiba FIR Karikari mayam si Atubamatam the Haiba Tarixin Nanganaba submit to be the Herkanda mayam duda justice pinanaba Tuna Fanganaba Maduma BJP na demand to it. Chochanpur Gidi case FIR Lokutri Aduga JCLP gi Ihogla Hidraba Laring Bam Laikai the gay Satra Robin Hood ki case to Karai the Lake Kramai Tokre Madusuyam Tuna Justice Pihandingi.
Former Wankai MLA and BJP spokesperson Y. Irabot demanded to know the progress of the case regarding the seizure of a large quantity of drugs at Imphal International Airport in the case in 2013. He said it should be made public. Irabot also said if the investigation team was sincere in their effort, the case could have been resolved by now. He alleged that the two involved in the case have been given protection by the Chief Minister. It may be mentioned that Luang Sagbam Mapunba Nupi Lub yesterday staged sit-in demanding punishment for those involved in fake encounter cases and airport drug case.
One is past is one Okram Henry. Akwam is one Tarpan. Howsiki is a man who remedy Hosiki, Kesi Tomatumda. Henry late Tarpan, later with the Mangi Torab. Some other mobile number any Pangaba. Investigation team Madonna. Furnished Toraba, quarter to the show. Carigino, Hosiki, Tarpanisi, Todu Carigino, and Tosija. Very recently, Tarpanisi, ticket pay moment of cutting indication to one later. Nangati Totaba. At Hosi Library, Mapuzi put over the Masi, Arubunati. She they move in Sorga, civil organizer Manipur, Masi, Shem Mapu, Kamaba, Unuruki Todoma, Sauramana. If any one of you can prove, if Henry or Tarpon involved, reward being involved, Doctor. Care see it to be one. To high on a brave. Other than my Yauri, which is directly or indirectly. So I says it.
Convener of BJP State Election Committee, Thangnautam Chauba, held Chief Minister Okrami Bobiseng responsible for the ongoing economic blockade. Speaking at the flag hoisting of BJP candidate Dr. Namairapam Duizamni in Oripok, Chauba alleged that fruits like orange and lemon rot as the state government cannot provide cold storage facilities to the farmers to store them. He also accused the government of wasting lakhs of money on hiring helicopters for insignificant tours. He mentioned the Chief Minister's recent visit to Ziribam district as an example. He said the Chief Minister was supposed to announce Ziribam as a new district but could not and just inaugurated a new college and returned.
He is a responsibility. Man responsibility, man locally, man he is a theater. Economic broken by the government. Don't get held at all. Mahana economic broken over here. Southern Hills, Manipur, district Kiran Yadamal Kanaruba, Mami Hakana, name plate Tenanaba, good facility of Pokai Highway. You will see very high. Yaroi. No, the Southern Hills of Pokai Yaroi. Southern Hills to Ongria Pine.
BJP Manipur today organized one-day political conference at Poijing Awang. 18 by 38 Nambol Poijing Awang Booth Level Committee of Imphal organized the conference for the BJP candidate Dr. Sapam Ranjan. BJP candidate in Nambol T.H. Chauba and several workers of Konthozam BJP Mandal and people from different walks of life attended the conference. Dr. Ranjan asserted that he will work for the development of Konthozam constituency and promised safe drinking water to the people. Congress candidate in Wankai, Okram Henry, has warned that defamation case can be initiated against political party which is making baseless accusation against him. Speaking to media at his residence at Mantripukhi, Henry said let the court decide whatever is necessary in connection with the allegation against him in a drug case. He said the candidates in Wankai should focus on development of the constituency instead of hurling accusation to one another.
I ni cha sema me aina lekai sema me cha seba Henry Huran mane haibu di ain na tawje sanova ai huran di judiciary na kaim haisu haidana aina huran tara di manam pham matam piu karam matam toramge haibane adu ngamdri sidi ad kanago makharana di ma pura huran gi budong na sungangi drug karaba sundau dau khiba leite drug phabada Henry kouba mana phone tawra me haibane adu aisu Henry korubani na Henry nang tawbra ana court na kobani aina tawde aina ti ai oraga di ai sakhi puthoro Defamation should suit only Mangonda in a Matikcha, the Praman like the Wangang with the issue Hak Pidit.
President of Notice India Development Party NEIDP Naringbam Samarjit today said the agents of politicians in Delhi are operating in Manipur. Addressing a political convention of the party's candidate in Wangkhem constituency, Yumnam Nabachandra at Thobal Hauka Mamang Lekai Lampak, Samarjit says politics has not only caused turmoil but created mistrust among the various communities living in the state. He said politicians of the state borrowed ideologies which are not suitable for the soil of the state, and it is high time to create a political platform fit for Manipur.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯃꯁ꯭ꯌꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯃꯛ ꯆꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ-ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ political platformsꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ideology ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯩꯅꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ideologyꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ soilꯒ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯒ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯐꯥꯎ ꯅꯛꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯕꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯟꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ.
The flag hoisting of NEIDP candidate in Ziribam, Asangbam Biren, was hosted today at his residence. He also filed his nomination today. Speaking at the meeting held at his residence, A. Biren said Ziribam still is lagging behind in the field of education, health care and transport and communication. He alleged that the Congress government has done nothing for the development of the district. He also accused the BJP of denying ticket to the deserving candidates. Biren urged the people to vote for NEIDP. Members of Steering Committee of Patsoi who recently joined Notice India Development Party were welcomed to the party today. Vice Presidents of the party E. Bojendro and N. Bisojit welcomed the new members and presented them with gifts. The consultative meeting of United Development Committee Loktak Project area was held yesterday at the community hall of Jaikulong village in Churachandpur. UDC LPA in a press release says the meeting decided to support BJP candidate TT Haukip in Henglep. A webcasting training program for the returning officers and assistant returning officers was held yesterday at Kombire Hall DC office complex. Resource persons T. Korea and M. Soni Kumar explained to the participants about webcasting. About 51 sector officers participated in the training. Meanwhile, 3 BEL engineers from Bangalore simultaneously conducted a 3-day program on first level checking FLC and test run on VVPEDs in the strong room of the office at 10 a.m. in presence of political parties. A large number of people today stormed the CBI Anti-Corruption Branch office at Lumpale demanding speedy trial of the pending cases including Sanjit and Rabina fake encounter and Imphal Airport drug seizure case. Holding banners and placards, the people from Khetrigao, Wangkai and Thongju constituencies marched towards the office this afternoon around 1. A team of Lumpville police controlled the situation and led 4 representatives to meet the ASP CBI anti-corruption branch L. Hang Singh. After the meeting, social activist Dr. Yenkokpam Dakeshwar told the media that ASP L. Hang Singh assured them that the trial of Sanjeet and Rabina fake encounter case will be held soon as per the wishes of the people. L. Hang Singh, however, said they cannot interfere in the Imphal airport drug seizure case as it is dealt by CBI Kolkata, but they can urge CBI Kolkata to expedite the trial.
Drug ki karigi lairiba case suri Kolkata branch na paibunina makoi gi responsibility leite adubu on behalf of the people of Manipur makoi na message send tawraga yam thuna madu gi poto sa si ju thaga krena moina tame Manipur people ki apam se masi yam thuna ning thungan na bo hona biu haidana Manipur gi maile na puna mukta so khoina miyam gi mo chinjaraga masi wapami thamjari CBI gi investigation yam thuna tawrakanda Ravina Sanjeev gi case sing masi gi lairiba maile na culprit mayam sing masi da sena ba police sing politician sing mayam sing ase yam thuna makoi matak sa frame tawrakanda court madugi photo highlight tawrakana madu justice ama porakpa miyangi apam sining thunganba hojiki lairiba mangdi airport ta kaida drug phagi bukhoki lairiba case myam sing ase sa si thakiba myam sing ase masi post yam thuna settle tawba sini akhoi myam pamjari.
The 8th death anniversary of Dr. Kisan, Token and Rajan will be observed on February 17 at their memorial Mapari Ningsing Kol, Manil at Uripok. The NSC Iron killed SDO of Kasom Kholen, Ukhrul district, Dr. Kisan, Token and Rajan on February 17 in 2009. Several prominent leaders of the state and people from different walks of life will take part in the event organized by Manil. Speaking at the press meet at Manipur Press Club, Manil Secretary Y. Kapoor urged the people to understand the issues facing the state and work to resolve them. He also appealed to the people to take part in the observance.
Handaki pangthoiba mifamasi khwaidagi maruoiba amadi praja kayagi hangdun leiba wahang kayagi numit asida pakhung khara di phangani haibagi khoi thajaba lei program asida matam chana lapiyu amadi athoba ahum asida haikat tambada saruk yabiyu.
As part of their campaign for protection of historical and political identity of Manipur, demanding disclosure of the framework agreement between the centre and NSC and IM, volunteers of All Manipur Students Union AMSU today distributed pamphlets to the general public at Konung Mamang and Singjamei supermarket. AMSU yesterday launched a campaign at Kwaramban Kaitel against the non-disclosure of the framework agreement signed between Government of India and NSC and IM on August 3, 2015. Narcotic cell Imphal West caught a person with 5 kg opium near Hotel Tamfa at North AOC yesterday around 9 p.m. The person is identified as Hoinu Gangte, 50 years, from Torbung village in Churachandpur district. A capping-cum oath-taking ceremony of the 11th GNM batch of Iringbam Tamcha Devi Nursing and Healthcare Research Institute, Uripok, was held today at GM Hall. Speaking at the event, founder of the institute, Iringbam Ibotombi, said the students who take oath today will be given training at Jenims and provided job at various hospitals in Kolkata and other states. He said over 300 GNMs of the institute have got job placement at hospitals outside the state. The poultry farmers and traders are facing a tough time due to the scarcity of poultry feed in the wake of the indefinite economic blockade. All Manipur Poultry Farmers and Traders Association in a press release appealed to the authorities concerned to ensure availability of the poultry feed. The preliminary round of the Best of AMIC 2016 13th state level open music competition was held today. Apunba Manipur Matam Isai Kanglob AMIC organized the preliminary round at Siko Club Community Hall at Yai School, Janmastan. 23 competitors took part in the round. The final round will be held on the 26th of this month. Now news from the world of sports. SUYC Uchekon Kuno and Meira Basikon were drawn 1-1 in the 12th league match of the 4th Hirojit Wairibam Gold Cup Under-14 Hockey Tournament. In the 13th league match, Pham Yai School Trust CEO Singjamei Wangma Khetri Lekai 6-0. And Datta scored 3 goals while TH Mission, T Pritam and TH Kennedy scored 1 goal each. YWC Langtabal defeated Dynamic Sporting Union Kwakaithel by 23 runs in the 5th T20 Veteran Cricket Tournament. YWC Langtabal made 123 for 7 in 20 overs. In reply, Dynamic Sporting Union Kwakaithel were all out for 119.2 overs. YWC Langtabal batsman Kumarjit was declared the man of the match for his 44 runs. Cyclone Thangmeban and YWC Langtabal will meet in the first semi-final of the tournament on the 19th of this month. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Scrutiny of nominations for the first phase held. Today is the last day for filing of nominations for the second phase of Manipur elections. Chief Minister Ukrami Bobi Singh and Irom Chanu Sharmila filed nomination for Thobal seat on the last day. BJP demands Manipur government to speed up trial of pending cases including fake encounters and airport drug case. And people stormed CBI office at Lampil demanding speedy trial of Sanjit and Rabina fake encounter.